What's the meaning of anonymity? Anonymity. 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 Anonymity.
Anonymity refers to the state or quality of being anonymous, meaning that a person's identity is not known or disclosed. In other words, anonymity involves keeping one's personal information or characteristics hidden or confidential. Anonymity can be achieved through a variety of means, such as using a pseudonym or anonymous online platform. The purpose of anonymity may vary from privacy concerns to fear of persecution or harassment. However, anonymity can also be used to engage in unethical behaviors, such as cyberbullying or spreading false information without accountability.